Hi cuties, welcome back to another cleaning video. Today I'm gonna clean my room, the bathroom, hallway a little bit, like sweep the floors and Nini's area. I don't have anything else to say other than that follow my Instagram, Little Daisy Heart, and my ASMR channel, Mish ASMR, and yeah. I don't know what else I have to say. I think that's about it. I will mix like talking and music in this video, I think. I need to kind of hurry up, so I need to get this going. Obviously it takes longer when I film because of angles and all that shit, so let's jump into it. First of all, I'm gonna clean out here. It's not as messy, but still have to clean. I don't know, I think I need to change her toilet. I don't know, I did that yesterday, but we'll see. I'll add some more hay over there. And yeah, let's get started. Also, this mirror needs some cleaning. Ugh. Do you want to say hello?
Hello.
To my cleaning video.
Hello.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Look at this, Bruce Springsteen. Jag ska lyssna på mordhistorier så jag hör inte dig. Nini's always comes here when I'm cleaning. Nini's. Huh? You can't pee here. Is she peeing? Are you peeing? Are you pooping? Huh? It's always like she's always asleep during this time. But if I'm cleaning, she comes and checks out what I'm doing. What? She already got her breakfast. It's still morning. She's always asleep during this time. I don't know, like right after she's had her breakfast, she goes to sleep. Vad gör du, Nini? Hello, we're in the bathroom. I'm such an idiot. I don't know why I accidentally stopped recording so many times when I cleaned the Nini's area, but I got so many cute, or I wanted many cute videos, clips of her. Then I stopped recording. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with me. Anyways, I'm gonna clean the bathroom now. It's not really that messy. I did deep clean not that long ago. I'm just gonna vacuum clean a little bit, wipe areas a little bit. I forgot to clean the mirror in the kitchen. Whatever, I'll do that after. Okay. This is what it looks like. Wait. It's not really, it's a messy in here. It's just little hairs and stuff everywhere. And I need to clean the toilet too. Let's do that. So I don't know when I'm posting this, but I do have a cleaning video that I actually forgot to post because I posted other things. And that was even before I got my plants and changed around my bathroom. You know, when I got my new dresser for my bathroom and this thing over here and new plants and stuff. I don't know, should I still post that video? It is before I changed around, as I said. I just did a little bathroom makeover. So should I still post that? I don't even think I talked in that video. I don't know, let me know if I should still post that video. My niece is coming over, if I didn't say that already, today, so I'm doing a little bit of cleaning. Why not? And that's what you're supposed to do, and it's nice to have things clean. It's not dirty, so I don't need to deep clean at least. But like the basics, yes. Don't need to clean in there, so that's good. In here, I mean. Let's go for the toilet. By the way, in my last, I think it was my latest vlog, I put this thing in or on and it just kept falling out, and then one morning or the next day when I woke up in the morning, this was in the toilet and all of the soap thingy was gone because it was sorted by the water. So I don't know, I couldn't get it in there, neither could my dad. It's so fucking annoying because it is nice when it smells nice all the time, you know. I mean, obviously if it smells nice like when I clean, but like having that thingy there will make it smell nice all the time, you know? Oh, by the way, I'm a real autistic person now with my headphones. Because all autistic people walk around with these, I swear. One of them bitches. Oh, I need to vacuum clean in there. I use this Mr. Muscle Fresh. I really like how that smells, or that one. The fresh, I don't know what scent it is. It just says fresh and like some fucking bush. Oh my god, you can't even see. Look at my toilet. Looks good. Get in there. What the fuck is your problem? Get the fuck in there. Fucking hell. Okay. Bathroom done. That was a quick little one. I'm just gonna put my rug out. And now, the hallway. Alright, cleaning done. I have the fan on if you hear that. That's it for this video. I cleaned, well, you saw what I cleaned. I don't have to explain it, Jesus. Anyways, don't forget to leave a comment since it helps with algorithm and my video showing up for you and all that stuff. So I'll leave a like if you like the video, and if you have any other video ideas, leave them down below. Don't forget to follow my Instagram, don't forget to follow my ASMR channel, mish.youtube, and I'll see you next video. Love you, bye.